Bring it back.
Good morning and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Jael.
And my name is Chloe. It's a magnificent day to be a Panther.
In sporting news, our boys basketball team will be competing in the district playoff beginning tomorrow. The first round of playoff will be at Melbourne High School. Varsity will play at 6 p.m.
An announcement from Miss Rock. Auditions for the spring show of Disney's High School Musical will take place tomorrow in the choir room.
Students do not need to prepare anything for this audition. Please see Miss Rock if you have any questions. Also, please stay tuned for the High School Musical promo video at the end of these announcements.
Panthers, this week is Spirit Week. Please help show your school spirit by participating in this week's themes.
Today is African American Culture Day. Tomorrow is Throwback Hip Hop Day. Thursday it's HBCU Day, and Friday is Class Color Day.
Freshmen are yellow, sophomores are red, juniors are green, and seniors are black.
Panthers, tomorrow there will be 2 assemblies put on by the Current Hope organization. They were here last year also. 11th and 12th graders will go during 5th period, and 9th and 10th grader will go during 6th period.
Seniors, if you have not met the reading or math graduation requirement, you should register now for the March 9th SAT and April 13th ACT. You can also see Ms. Jameer for ACT waivers if you are free or have reduced lunch. SAT waivers should already be in your College Board account.
Those of you taking the February 10th ACT this Saturday, you should be practicing daily to make the concordant scores needed.
If you missed our FAFSA workshop here at Heritage Eastern Florida State is having sessions next Monday, February 12th at their Melbourne campus from 3 to 6 p.m.
Financial aid expert will be there to walk you through both the student application as well as the parent application.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!
Attention students of Heritage High School, my name is Ariel Reed, and I would just like to let you guys know my show, High School Musical, is coming up. And we only need actors to go, smaller roles. So please come out and audition, for my show. My show. Ah!
Heard about the musical?
Musical? No.
Well, the auditions.
Why would I need to audition? We need to focus on the science competition, not some musical.